right, everybody. I am Eric from Eric's Excursions. I'm at Lazy J Horse Farms, and just wanted you guys to come along with me while I'm visiting here today. Beautiful place, beautiful day, a little overcast, but wanted to show you guys around and talk about this property. So please come along. Got Jordan here. What's going on, Jordan?
Hey.
All right, man. Let's drive around. So back in 2017, my brother and his business partner purchased this undeveloped piece of property over here in Ocala, 30 acres. So yeah, they had the land cleared. Then they started building. They built 2 houses, which I'll take you guys around. This is wanted to show you guys the front gate.
Yeah,
So
should start that over.
no, this is good. We'll keep on going, man. We do no edits here. So the rider on the right is my niece Lauren, and the other one is Sophia. That was the silhouettes that were made for them. Love being here. It's like being on vacation, man. It's so relaxing to be here and be out of the suburbs and all the crazy traffic. Although, Jordan, is the traffic starting to get kind of busy here too? Is it starting to get kind
insane.
Is it really?
Insane.
It's probably because
it takes like 15-20 minutes to get to town just to get out here.
Wow.
With all the new building and construction going on.
So they're building up here too then?
Yeah.
Because in Lakeland,
they're building up.
Let's go this way. Turn right.
4 or 5 subdivisions at a time.
So they built 2 houses. This is my brother's house. We'll do a look around. I like the front of this house. We'll go right. And then they had these stables built. I don't know, what year was that? Was that 2019, 2020?
Yeah.
There's a pile of steel that sat around here for 2 or 3 years, and then they actually put it together. We can probably drive through one of the stables if we can fit. We'll drive through the one where no one's in. And what do you call that right there? What do they use
Round
that?
Pen.
What is that called?
Round pen.
Is that where they train the horse?
Yeah, they just exercise them and run them in circles.
So just get their exercise.
We'll start up here.
All right.
This is the arena. Everybody rides in.
So is this the main arena?
Yeah.
How many arenas are there here?
There's 1 arena and 1 round pen.
Okay. And what is this used for right here?
This is just one of the pastures. Like 6 pastures, I believe. There's another barn with lots. Turnout pens. Everybody's supposed to do another lot. Next to that's
And what is that used for?
hot walker to warm them up in the morning before they
just give a quick shot. And there's Jim right there, man. We'll put Jim on camera for a second. And then we'll ride over to Jim's house. So there were 2 houses that were built on this property. And that was probably, what, 2017 they built those houses, or 2018?
2017.
They had the land cleared 2017, so let me get out here. Whose horse is this?
One of the boarders. He don't want to come.
All right, we'll get some others. Where's Jerry's horse?
He's outside.
So we got Jim here. Say hi, Jim. Say hi to the Philippines, UK. So do a cut through here. These are really nice in here, aren't they?
This is, I think, Lauren or Soap's horse.
Oh, this is. All right, hold on. Let me stop. Let me take a look. Let me take a quick video of. That's Lauren's horse. This is my niece Lauren's horse right here. What's this horse's name? Luke. I'm your father. Hey, Luke. Who's this horse?
Sophie's.
That's a Sophie. This is my other niece, Sophie. This is her horse. What's this horse's name?
I don't remember.
Is this the one that was a baby just a couple years ago?
Yeah, there's
Wow.
over 50 horses here.
Man, this horse. She's slow, man. Wow. Can't believe how big she's gotten that fast. It's like overnight. Let's go right over to Jim's house real quick. We'll do it. Same builder built both houses.